Today, Grandma is going to read you from the Usborne Farmyard series, Train Stories. Can you hear the train? Let's turn the page. We're going to start off with the old steam train. All right. This is Apple Tree Farm. This is Mrs. Boots the farmer, and she has 2 children called Poppy and Sam, and a dog called Rusty. "Hurry up," says Mrs. Boots. "Where are we going today?" asked Poppy. "To the old station," says Mrs. Boots. They're putting on their coats. Let's find our duck. Oh, there he is. Don't forget to look for the little duck in every picture. They walked down the lane. "Why are we going? There aren't any trains," said Sam. "Oh, just you wait and see." Isn't that a cute little squirrel? A little rabbit. Oh, there's our duck. "What's everyone doing?" asked Poppy. "They're cleaning up the old train station," says Mrs. Boots. "Everyone's helping today." You see, what would you like to do if you were going to help with the train station? I think I would like to paint or maybe wash windows. What would you like to do? Oh, look, there's our duck. I think he wants to help sweep. There's lots to do. "Poppy and Sam, come help me," says the painter. "Coats off, down to work," said Mrs. Boots. Oh yes, we're getting ready. That's the job I'd want. Poppy and Sam work hard. Sam brings pots of paint and Poppy brings the brushes and Mrs. Boots sweeps. What do you think Rusty the dog's gonna do? What? Hold on. Oops. What's that noise? "It's the train. It's coming," says Mrs. Boots. "Look, it's a steam train," says Poppy. "How exciting." The train puffs down the track. It stops at the platform and the engine gives a whistle. Everyone cheers and waves. Have you ever seen a steam train? They're very noisy. "Look, there's Dad," says Sam. "He's helping the train driver just for today," said Mrs. Boots. "Isn't he lucky?" says Poppy. "All aboard," says Mrs. Boots. "I'll get on here," says Poppy. "Come on, Rusty," says Sam. "I'll shut the door," says Mrs. Boots. There's our little duck. He got on board too. Look at all the people that helped with the train station. That's exciting. "Where are you going?" "Aren't you coming with us?" asked Sam. "You stay on the train," says Mrs. Boots. "I'll be right back." "Look, there she is. She's wearing a cap," says Poppy. "Yes, I'm the guard just for today," says Mrs. Boots. Mrs. Boots waves a flag and the train whistles and starts to puff away. Mrs. Boots jumps on the train and shuts the door. "We're off," says Sam. The train chugs slowly down the track. "Doesn't the old station look good now?" says Poppy. "I like steam trains," says Sam. "The station is open again," says Mrs. Boots, "and we can ride on the steam train every weekend." That sounds really fun. Have you ever been on a steam train, or have you ever been on a train? I've been on a couple of trains and they are so much fun. Some of them go so fast.